The Epipen's biggest competitor, the Auvi-Q, is coming back on the market, and it may mean a price drop for consumers. The Epipen and Auvi-Q are epinephrine injectors, life-saving devices used when people are suffering a severe allergic reaction. The Auvi-Q was taken off the market last year due to a problem with dosage delivery, but the manufacturer has announced it'll be back in the first half of 2017. The manufacturer of the Epipen came under fire for charging $600 for a 2-pack, a price point some saw as gouging consumers. The makers of the Auvi-Q say they'll be offered at an affordable price to all, though they haven't released an exact cost. Epipen has said they're working on a generic injector priced at around $300 for a 2-pack to be available by the end of this year.